The TEC Series hinge is manufactured in the United States at our Kernersville, North Carolina facility. We produce these hinges daily. The TEC Hinge Series is perfect for your face frame cabinetry needs. An all-steel construction ensures long-term durability with a shallow cup depth of 11 millimeters allows for deep profiles. The TEC hinges are available in a self-closing or a soft-closing version with overlays varied from 1/4 inch to 1 9/16 inches. Grass also offers a face mount TEC hinge for those large overlay requirements of 1 7/16 inches plus. Available in both 42 millimeter and 45 millimeter insertion pattern, this means no matter what current insertion machinery your shop has, Grass has a TEC hinge that will fit your application. The TEC Series offers a complement of adjustments with a cam side-to-side adjustment of 1.5 millimeters plus or minus, a cam depth adjustment of minus 0.5 millimeters and plus 2.5 millimeters, and a height adjustment of 2 millimeters plus or minus, allowing for a perfect look on every door. The integrated soft close in the hinge cup offers 3 setting adjustments of low, medium, and high. If the current desired soft close is not desirable, simply open the door, adjust the easy to move lever, cycle the door 1 time, and achieve that perfect soft close every time. This ensures every door in the kitchen can be set to perform the same, large or small. Most importantly, this allows you to give the customer their desired result of soft close. The Grass machinery allows for door boring and hinge insertion. It improves accuracy, provides consistency, and saves time. The TEC Soft Close Hinge System is a revolutionary face frame hinge. The integrated soft close combined with the adjustment feature provides functional benefits for today's modern cabinetry. Made in the United States of America, your doors will close softly, quietly, and consistently with TEC Soft Close.